Hey, if you've ever wondered how to swap meme coins safely on Solana using Phantom Wallet, and how to do it smarter with ZenChain AI, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to swap meme coins step by step, while showing you how ZenChain AI gives you an unfair advantage by tracking what whales are buying and selling. Now, I know meme coins can feel like the Wild West. One moment you're staring at a 100% pump, the next moment, you're watching it crash. That's why you need two things: a secure wallet like Phantom and a research edge like ZenChain AI. Let's dive in. Phantom Wallet is the go-to wallet for Solana users. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for swapping tokens directly without needing a centralized exchange. With Phantom, you can connect, paste a contract address, and swap in seconds. No complicated setup, no endless tabs. But here's the catch. Swapping blindly is risky. Meme coins move fast, and most traders lose because they're late. That's where ZenChain AI comes in. ZenChain AI is an AI-powered crypto dashboard that pulls together whale wallet flows, token metrics, live transactions, charts, and sentiment signals, all in one place. Instead of juggling coin market cap, Twitter feeds, and random Telegram groups, you get everything organized in a single interface. Here's the magic. Step 1. Read the market tone. ZenChain AI shows you total market cap, Bitcoin dominance, and the Fear and Greed Index. Step 2. Track whale wallets. See what big money is buying or dumping across Ethereum and Solana. Step 3. Investigate tokens. Open a research panel with charts, holder counts, sentiment queues, and contract addresses. This means you can spot meme coins whales are accumulating before the crowd even notices. Let's break it down. Log into ZenChain AI. Check the whale tracker for Solana. Look at the In Tokens list. These are coins whales are buying right now. Pick a candidate. Maybe you see a meme coin with strong inflows and growing holder counts. Click for details: market cap, sentiment, charts. Copy the contract address. ZenChain AI makes this one-click simple. Open Phantom Wallet. Click Swap. Paste the contract address. Select how much SOL you want to trade, and confirm. Monitor your position. The strategy is simple. Aim for a 2x, then swap out. Play with house money, reduce risk, and repeat. That's it. No guessing, no chasing random pumps. You're following smart money with real-time data. Meme coins are driven by hype, but whales often move first. They inject liquidity, signal conviction, and trigger the pumps retail traders chase. By watching whale wallets, you're not just gambling, you're aligning with the players who move markets. ZenChain AI even pulls sentiment from X, Twitter, influencers, and crypto experts, so you know whether the buzz is bullish, bearish, or neutral. Combine that with Phantom Wallet's simplicity, and you've got a system that cuts research from hours to minutes. This isn't theory. Traders using ZenChain AI have reported flipping $400 into $2,000, making $19,000 in a day, and even hitting 771% gains on meme coins. The founder, Ricky Matega, has 25+ years of software development experience and over $40 million in online sales. The system is built to be plug and play, so even beginners can follow along. And remember, you don't need 6 VPNs, 10 wallets, or endless subscriptions. Just Phantom Wallet for execution and ZenChain AI for research. So, if you're ready to swap meme coins on Solana with confidence, start by setting up Phantom Wallet. Then plug into ZenChain AI to see what whales are buying. Research smarter, swap faster, and aim for those quick 2x wins. Crypto runs 24/7, and opportunities don't wait. With Phantom Wallet and ZenChain AI, you'll be prepared to catch the next meme coin wave before the crowd. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below with the meme coin you're watching right now. Until next time, trade smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.